Hello everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be recording the henna I use in my hair. This is the color and is from Lush, and I go in store, order online, and you get a brick. This was double the size. I used all three of these because they're in threes for touch-up. If I was doing all of my hair for the first time, I'd use the whole brick. So I'm just going to show you the steps it takes to put the henna in your hair, and then hours later I will come back with the completed finished look. I'm getting some grays, but anyways, it is long overdue. So first things first is you have to chop this up into tiny little pieces. So I have it on a little cutting board with my knife. And then you put it in a bowl, a throwaway bowl or a container, because when you're done, you are not going to want to keep that bowl. I am boiling water right there. And after I chop this up, I will put it in the bowl chopped up, and I will add the hot water and turn it into like a brownie mix kind of texture. I will chop, I will put in the bowl, and I will come back. This is basically the consistency and what you want to chop it up into, little tiny pieces. And then I put it in the bowl. And now I will add water. So we are in the bathroom now, and I'm going to show you the trash bags I put on the floor. You can use newspaper, whatever. Yeah, I know the camera's all over. It's like vertigo. I just put trash bags on there and then throw them away when I'm done. I have my boiled water. I have my henna. I keep this to keep the consistency going because it will start to harden up after I start putting it in my hair. And you don't want it too hard when you're putting it in your hair. You want to be able to mix it in really well. So here is the consistency. It is supposed to be a brownie-like. I think it's there. I think it needs just a little bit more water because it seems a little thick and it smells like caca. So don't expect some great smelling stuff because it is just not gonna happen. But once you get it on your head and you wrap it up, you do not have to wrap it up. You can use a shower cap, which I do not have. For one, make sure you're wearing a shirt you don't care about. For two, if you want highlights or you want it to react a little better, have saran wrap, and I will show you what to do with the saran wrap. But for now, I'm going to rinse my hands, and then I'm going to put on my gloves, and then I'm going to get it in my hair and all over the bathroom. It makes a god-awful mess. I don't know why there's so many towels hanging in here. I think there's 30 people showering. Okay. Well, there went one glove. Thank God for backup. Whoa. So, then you can use like Vaseline, some kind of a moisture, I don't know what the word is I'm looking for, but you know what I mean, to put around. So if the henna gets on your scalp or your ears, it'll wipe right off. But I don't even do that anymore. I've been doing this so often that I've never had a problem not being able to wipe it off. So I have a towel around me, I have my gloves, and the henna is already starting to harden. So I'm going to add a little bit more of my boiled water. Make sure you bring a hot pad with you because your water is supposed to be boiling hot. So if the henna starts to harden up, just add more water to the concoction. It is a tedious process, but it is all natural, and I don't like putting all those chemicals from the box hair dyes in my hair anymore. It just basically kills your hair. Now I'm going to start putting this. I want to start, you can use a comb or brush. I use my hands near the base. If you get it on your head, just wipe it off. It's not that big of a deal. Even if it stains, it will come off after a few days, but I just use my towel and wipe. So I'm gonna continue putting this through my hair, roots for the beginning, and then bring it through the whole ends, and then I will be back when I have it fully in my hair and we will wrap it. Okay, so I have it in my hair. I put my gloves and everything in here. This will go into the trash outside so I don't smell it. And then it has a smell. It's not that bad, but you just don't want to smell it all day. You're going to smell it on your head all day. Now for highlights and for it to kind of grab into your hair better, I've always used Saran Wrap. You don't have to, but I do. It's just been my usual. So I'm going to wrap my hair really tight, round and round, and then leave it in for about 3 to 4 hours. I usually leave it in for about 4 hours, and then I will come back and my hair will be like really stiff and pain in the neck to shower. And I will show you what it looks like when I take it out of the Saran Wrap. I'll be back in a few hours. So I thought you guys would like to see after leaving it in for 4 hours. Now I look like a concrete cone head. It is crumbling. I'm going to get in the shower and rinse it out, and then I will show you guys how it looks, although it'll be wet, so you probably won't be able to tell a big difference until morning, but I will definitely show you guys. It takes a while to rinse this out. Looks like I have like concrete all up in my hair. You see that? Look at that. Funky. Woo! So now I am out of the shower and back my camera up. Have it propped oddly. There we go. So I don't know if you can see, but the coverage will show much more when it is dry. I'm going to moisturize my hair and leave it overnight, and then you don't want to wash it for about 2 days to let the henna keep on grabbing. So I conditioned it tonight, and then I won't wash it Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday in the morning I will, which for me is really hard. I'm gonna have to find a shower cap because I shower every day. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video / henna tutorial. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I think it came out really good. It definitely deepened it up in here. And here were my main areas of gray hair. So have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hello everybody. Okay, so I was gonna end my video last night, but I wanted you guys to see my hair when it was fully dry. It definitely darkened my hair. It covered up my roots. If you see anything, it is makeup. I just got done doing my makeup, and I don't know, I went like pastel look today. So there's some foundation it gets in my hair, and some of you have asked what I use in my hair and if I could show it on a film. So I use the Organics Virgin Coconut Oil. Basically any kind of coconut oil from the grocery store, Walgreens, wherever. I put a little bit on my hand, rub it together like that, and then I go in and I got to get rid of all the where the foundation got in my hair too, but I don't want to get it on my head. This holds my curls in place. I had braided my hair last night after I washed out the henna, and when I went to bed, so that way I didn't wake up, my hair was like, whoa, like a big cotton ball. So the braid kept it in place together. So I use this, and then I use some bum. This is like the bum cream. Well, it smells like it. I put 3 drops in my hand, and I rub that together in my hair. This kind of tames it with the coconut oil, even though this is an oil as well. This is a shine on UV protecting, lightweight and hydrating hair oil treatment with a blend of pure coconut oil, argan oil, sweet almond oil. There's a lot of oils going on in here. It smells good though. It's natural. Well, maybe not all natural, but I know my coconut oil is even organic, but it doesn't matter what kind. I just buy it. This jar, literally, this jar will last me. I've been working on this jar for about 5 months, and I use this not only for my hair, but I use it to shave. I bring it in the shower because it is glass. I put it on the ground, and I'm very careful when I open it. And I rub it in my hands, and then I rub it on my legs. It gets it nice and oily. And then when I shave, I don't cut myself, well, as much as I used to, because every kind of shaving cream I used to buy, I would have a bad reaction. My legs would itch like crazy. So I don't know how I got the idea. Maybe somebody else said use it for shaving, but this works so amazing to shave your legs, in the hair, and it's such a multi-purpose use. I know people use it for cooking too, but no, I don't. I use olive oil for cooking. Once I have my hair styled, then I use this. I got it in, I think the Fab Fit Fun box. It is a hair protectant spray with exclusive multi-shielding complex with 10 incredible benefits. The only reason I use it is because I got it in my box. It does smell good, and it helps it style. I don't use a hair spray or anything else in my hair. I like to try and keep it natural, but I wanted you guys to really see the henna works so good, and I won't need to do my hair again for probably about 4 to 5 months, so that a brick like that will last me a year almost, because it is double of that size. So that what you saw was half of what the brick looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair today. You guys have a wonderful day. Stay cool because it is pretty hot out. And if you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up and leave your comments below on what you think of this henna tutorial. And if you can, follow me on Instagram, Susan Young 1974, or on Twitter, Susan Young 2174. And make sure you see my subscribers do my makeup, or not do, but you pick my makeup. Subscribers pick my makeup video, and make sure you pick my makeup below the video, because I'm going to tally up the votes this week and do my video on it, and then you guys are going to dupe that video. So have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.